Hi students, today we are going to see simple multiplication sums. Okay ma'am, because already we studied in the first term addition subtraction sums. You know that very well. Okay, so now we will see the basic multiplication sums. Okay ma'am, before that you should prepare 2 to 10 tables maximum, okay, or otherwise 2 to 8 tables. It's very must ma'am. If you know the tables means this multiplication sums very easy. Okay, first I explain you simple multiplication sums. Okay ma'am. Your first question is multiply 14 into 2. Okay ma'am. So here 14 into 2, this is your question ma'am. In your question side, first number, this 14 is called a multiplicand. Okay ma'am. This first number is called a multiplicand. And the second number is called a multiplier. Okay ma'am. This is the basic, this name. First number name is multiplicand and the second number name is a multiplier. Okay. So this multiplier only table ma'am. See now the second table, we should use second table. Okay, so you use a second table, then we will write the answer. Okay, see first you take the multiplicand side. In this number 14 side you should mention ones place and tens place. Okay, so already you know the place value. So ones place means last number is a ones place, is it or not? You take this multiplicand numbers ma'am. Last number 4 is a ones, then 1 is a tens, is it or not? Okay, first term when you do the multiplication you should multiply first ones place number, then after tens place number. Okay, so let us see the steps. See ma, now written the place values. Okay, so first step you take a ones place number. Ones place number is 4. Okay, then into 2. Okay ma, first you take ones place number into 2. Okay, so 4 into 2. Okay, so now you know the table, 2 table. Okay, tell me the 2 table. 1 2 is 2. Next 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay, because now we need 4 into 2, is it or not? So 4 into 2, so 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. So the ones place 4 2s are 4 into 2 multiple means we get the answer is 8, is it or not? So I written now 8. Do you understand? Next term you go to the tens place number, you should multiple 1 into 2. Okay ma'am, so ones place written 4 into 2 answer is 8, is it or not? Look at the table, 4 2s are 8, so 4 into 2 8 written. Next term tens place number is 1, so 1 into 2. Okay, so already you know, see look at the table, 1 2 is 2, so the answer, this is your answer ma'am. So you take this answer and you write in the tens place side. It's very important. Before first number we written in the ones place side, next number we multiply the tens place number 1 into 2, so 1 into 2 is 2. So you write in the tens place side 2. So your answer 14 into 2 answer is 28. See ma, this is your answer. 14 into 2 answer is 28. So already I explained you, the first number is called a multiplicand and the second number is, this is a multiplier. This answer, this final answer is called a product. Okay ma, so the 14 into 2 product is 28. Do you understand this sum? Okay, next second sum, multiply 23 into 4. Okay, see already I told you first number is called a multiplicand and the second number is called a multiplier. Okay, then finally what answer you should find out, that is called a product. Okay, so now we will find out the product. Okay ma'am, see first term multiplier, this multiplier is your table, so now we will use a fourth table. Okay ma, that is keep it in your mind. If you know fourth table means this sum very easy. Okay, before that we take a multiplicand number, then you should write the place value, that is important. Okay, so here which one is the ones place, which one is the tens place? Here 3 is the ones place number and 2 is the tens place number, is it or not? Okay, let us multiply this. Okay, see ma, first ones place number 3. Okay, already I told you first you should multiple ones place number. Okay, so 3 into 4, you multiple now 3 into 4. Okay ma'am, do you know fourth table? Let us write now fourth table. Tell me the fourth table. 1 4 is 4, is it or not? Okay, we need 3 into 4, so you should write up to 3 4s are. Okay, it is enough. So next 2 4s are 8. Okay, ma'am. Next, 3 4s are 12. Is it or not? Okay. So our answer 3 4s are 12. Okay, ma'am. If you have single digit answer means you should write only ones place side single digit number. Okay, ma'am. But we have a 2-digit number. Is it or not? So 12 is a 2-digit number. If you have a 2-digit number means you just write ones place number only in the answer side. Okay. So see this 12 in this 12. 2 is a ones place number. Is it or not? So you write 2 ones place number side. Okay. Next, remaining we have only 1. Is it or not? This 1 you should write the question side. Okay, ma. Question side tens place up. You write remaining 1. Okay. Do you understand? So 3 4s are 12. So 12 means we written 2 here. Remaining 1 we written in the tens place side. Is it or not? Okay. Next second step you should multiple in the tens place number. See tens place number 2. 2 into 4. Okay. Now we will multiple 2 into 4. Okay, ma'am. See look at the table. 2 4s are 8. Okay, ma'am. So your answer 8. So our answer is 8, ma, but you don't write 8 here because the tens place side we have one more number. See, up we written remaining 1. Is it or not? So this 1 you add in this result. Okay. So 8 plus 1 9. So your tens place number is 9. Do you understand, ma? Actually 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 you add means 9. So the answer is 92. So 23 into 4. This product is 92. Do you understand the sum? Now third sum is 32 into 5, ma'am. It is also the same method. So first number 32 is a multiplicand and 5 is a multiplier. We should find out the product. Okay. See, now we use a fifth table. So multiplier is a 5. So we use a fifth table. If you know the fifth table, it's a very easy. Let us see this sum. See, first you write take a ones place number. Is it or not? So ones place 2 into 5. Is it or not? So look at this. And now we write down fifth table up to 2. Okay, ma'am. See, do you know fifth table? 1 5 is 5. Okay. Next, 2 5s are 10. Is it or not? Okay. Already I told you if you have a 2-digit number means you should write ones place number here. Is it or not? So ones place number is 0. Okay, ma'am. So you write ones place number in the answer side. Okay, 0 written and we have remaining 1. Okay, so in this remaining 1 you write tens place question side. You write the question side tens place up. You write remaining 1. Okay, ma'am. Next you take you multiply tens place number. Okay, so 3 into 5. Okay, do you know 3 5s are, what is 3 5s are? 3 5s are 15. Okay, this is also 2-digit number. So this result of 15 side you should add this remaining 1. Okay, so 15 plus 1 add means we get the answer 16. Okay, so your answer is 16. Here you write the 2-digit number also. Why means hereafter we don't have any question. So we written 2 numbers also here. Okay, ma. So your product is 160. So 32 into 5. This answer is 160. Do you understand? Do you understand the multiplication sums, ma? Everything is a basic sums. Okay. Next, this is your homework, ma'am. We have 4 sums. The fourth sum, 20 into 2. So, in the ones place number 0. Okay, when you multiple by 0 means your answer also 0. So no problem. 0 into 2 multiple means your answer 0. Okay. Then after multiple the tens place. This sum only different, ma. Remaining 3 sums very easy. All of you do this. It is your homework. Very important. You should prepare the tables after do the sums. Okay, ma. So tomorrow onwards we will see the lessons. Okay. Today you do this basic multiplication sums. Okay, ma. Okay, thank you.